Alright, we are back. So let's talk about intros. Intros is the next part. I've decided to give you a load of options for intros, not just one. If you want something that looks pretty nifty, let's close all these Canva things. So if you go onto this website, ravenprodesign.com/svp-13. Actually, just go onto ravenprodesign.com, okay? They got loads of different intros. They all use Sony Vegas Pro. This one uses Sony Vegas Pro 10, Sony Vegas Pro 11, which is the upgraded version, Sony Vegas Pro 12, Sony Vegas Pro 13, which is the yearly modifications of the previous Sony Vegas. And they got loads of different, these are free intros that you can just download, edit in Sony Vegas. Make sure that when you download them, you got the right Sony Vegas. So if you download one under the Sony Vegas Pro 13, make sure you have Sony Vegas Pro 13 or above, or else it will not load up. So you got a bunch of different intros here. They're actually all pretty damn good, these ones. Look at that. Pretty epic. Mostly epic intros, okay. I actually use this one myself. There's also ones that you can get that are paid. These are not just epic intros, so didn't mean to move that. Let me copy this. This is on motionarray.com. And you just type in intros. So motionarray.com, you got a bunch of intros here. For example, this one. Pretty nifty. Let's look at this one. 6 free After Effects titles. Oh, so this one is actually free. Some of these are they're not all paid. Oh, that's pretty nifty. Looks pretty travel-y. We could use this one. You don't have to have an intro. It's not a requirement. There's a load of people that don't have an intro. Like PewDiePie is the #1 YouTuber at the moment, and he doesn't have an intro. Well, he does it himself. Like, he does a different intro himself every time. He doesn't have one of these ones. Okay. So, motionarray.com, there's also, you can get the work done for you. So, you list a bunch of requirements, so like 3 requirements that they have to tick the boxes of, and you tell it to people who will work for you to make a logo on Fiverr.com. So it's Fiverr, Fiverr.com, and you type in intro. And say let's continue with Facebook. Okay, let's type in intro. And here we go. So they'll do it for $40. These guys will do it $30. Wow, $145. Wow. An animated intro, $695. I should probably get into making intros if I'm making that kind of money. $25. Even $5. Podcast intro. Alright, so, wow, $900, whatever. Okay, so you can also get it custom made. This looks very customized, $15. 5-star rating, whatever. So, list of different choices for intros there.